Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most attractive women stylish haircut ideas, stylish pixie bob haircut designs you can see in this my video. Every design is different, beautiful and trendy. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of women stylish, beautiful and trendy stylish haircut ideas, stylish hair cutting designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Friends, you can see in this video adorable, charming short haircuts like pixie, long pixie, short pixie, shaggy pixie, edgy pixie, messy pixie. And when you more and more visit my channel, you can more many haircut ideas and hairstyling ideas like bob hairstyles, long bob hairstyles, short bob hairstyles, graduated inverted bob, blunty bob, blunt bob, pixie bob haircuts for western ladies. If you are uni girl, college girl, you can see these very beautiful and attractive haircut ideas in this my video. If you are office lady working woman, then you can easy apply these are all haircuts on your own hairs and you look like beautiful girl, like model and modern. All celebrities like these short haircuts. My videos provide you all about 100% new trending short pixie, long pixie and curly cutting ideas. So you can visit my channel and take a more information about every style haircut fashion. You can do it. You can make it at home yourself for your parties or casual dresses. You can get many more ideas in this my video. You can see in this video layered haircut, long haircut, short haircut, stylish layered haircut designing ideas. Most beautiful, most attractive designing ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different.